Maraming tao ang may alam tungkol kay Jesus pero hindi lahat ay nakakakilala kay Jesus. Because the religion teaches rules, but the relationship brings transformation. Jesus didn't come just to give information. He came to give Himself. Ang kaligtasan ay hindi patungkol sa perfect performance sa buhay na to. Nagsisimula ito kapag ang puso mo ay inilapit mo sa Kanya. The Bible says in John 14:6, I am the way, the truth, and the life. No one comes to the Father except through me. Jesus. Notice, Jesus didn't say a system is the way. He said He is the way. In the Bible, just like the woman at the well, she knew religion but not relationship. In John 4:20, yung babaeng Samaritana, pinag-uusapan nila ni Jesus ang mga nakasanayan nilang pagsamba at kung saan sila nananalangin. She had a religious idea but her heart was still empty. So what Jesus did? He offered a relationship, not rules. He said in John 4:14, whoever drinks the water I give will never thirst. Hindi lang impormasyon ang binigay niya, kundi ibinigay niya ang kanyang sarili. The Samaritan woman, she didn't clean herself first, pero alam ni Jesus yung nakaraan niya, her broken relationship, but still, Jesus welcomed her. Transformation happened through encounter. You know what happened in John 4:28? After meeting Jesus, she immediately shared Jesus to others. That shows real faith comes from knowing Him personally. She knew religion, but her life was changed when he encountered Jesus personally. Jesus didn't give her a system, but He revealed Himself as the living water. A personal relationship with Jesus, it only means you talk to Him in prayer, you listen to His word, you walk with Him daily, and you allow Him to change your heart. Hindi ito paramihan ng effort, but it is about surrendered life. Madalas willing tayo sumunod kay Jesus kapag feel natin na karapat-dapat tayo. Pero kapag nakagawa tayo ng kasalanan at naramdaman natin yung guilt, Lord, tsaka na lang ako susunod. But listen to this. Jesus didn't ask you to be perfect in order for you to come and follow Him. You don't need to clean yourself before coming to Jesus. You come to Jesus, He will cleanse you.